Good morning, students. Welcome back to our English online class. Today we are going to see a new lesson, and it's so tasty for us. Okay. Before going into that, have you all liked foods? Yes, everyone likes foods. Some like snacky, fast food, starter item, and rice varieties. Okay, yes, this lesson also a visitor from the distant land. Okay, these two friends were discussing about the vegetable and spices. Okay, first girl, look at the color of vegetables and spices. Okay, she said, look the color of the spices and vegetables. This is kinds of spices, and behind the girls red chili, it's a variety of vegetable. Okay, another girl, wow, it's so attractive and colorful. She said, so attractive and colorful. This page is looking so attractive and colorful. Okay, yes, is the topic a visitor from distant land. Visitor means guest. Okay, visitor means guest from distant land. Distant lands means not our country, come from other countries is a distant land. Okay, these pictures are 6 tastes. Okay, sweet, salty, bitter, astringent, pungent, sour. Sweet, candy, sour, vinegar, bitter, spinach, salty, pickle, astringent, pomegranate, pungent, garlic. Okay, Mani's family lived in a village near Jingi in Viluppuram district. Okay, this boy Mani, his family lived in a village named Jingi in Viluppuram district. Okay, Mani liked only a few vegetables, potatoes and lady's finger were the two that he liked very much. Mani likes some vegetables only, and potato, lady's finger are his favorite very much. Okay, one day when Amma served potato curry, one day mom cooked dish with potato curry and served to her children. Okay, this is Mani, this is Selvi. Okay, this is Selvi. Selvi said, I don't want to eat potatoes today because they are foreign vegetables. She said, potato are foreign vegetable, I don't eat. Okay, suddenly Mani, no, they are not. Amma bought them from vegetable shop nearby the bus stand. He said, no, it's like a foreign vegetable. Amma buy the vegetable in shop nearby the bus stop. Okay, Mani asked to his father, Appa, Selvi is too small to understand that potatoes are not from India. Mani said to his father, Selvi is understanding small, the potatoes are not India's or Indian vegetable. His father replied, so what? Our teacher told us that we should buy and eat locally grown food. Our teacher taught us we should buy or vegetable or land vegetable with cheapy and locally vegetable to grown food. Okay. Selvi, she also told us to use things made in our country. She said, use our daily food with made in our country things. And she said, what else did your teacher tell you? She think, what else did your teacher tells you that? Okay. Money. And you can't order tomato soup either or even pineapple juice. His parents asked, you can't order tomato soup or even pineapple juice. Okay. His parents, then you can't eat popcorn the next time we go to a movie. His parents said, you can't eat popcorn the next time we go to the movie. Okay. Selvi asked to Mani, then you can't order anything? Because he didn't order anything. Okay. Why? I can't eat popcorn, soup or anything that I want. Why I can't? I eat. She said, I eat a soup or anything that I want. His mother said, do you know that the corn, tomatoes and even lady's finger all came from other countries? His mother said to him, the corn, tomato and lady's fingers came from the other country. Selvi asked, really? How did they come to our country, Amma? Did they get on an aeroplane and come here? His father said, no. Merchant brought them here long ago by the sea. Selvi asked to her Amma, how they come to our country? They get on an aeroplane or come here? His father, Mani's father, replied to Selvi, no. It came through by some merchant means trader, brought them here through the seaway long ago by sea. Okay. Mani asked, why did they bring vegetable to India? Why they did bring vegetable to India? Okay. Amma and Appa laughed. Selvi, they could have brought some sweet. Why didn't they? They buy only vegetable. Why they don't buy sweets or chocolate? Amma replied to Selvi, people came to India in search of spices, especially black pepper. A man from Portugal named Vasco da Gama sailed to Kerala. A people came to India in searching. Searching means found some spices, especially black pepper. This is the black pepper. Black pepper. A man from Portugal. The country is Portugal. A man named Vasco da Gama sailed means travelled by ship to Kerala. Okay. Imagine the joy of the sailor when they reached Kozhikode and found the black pepper. They took a lot of pepper back to their country. Amma said about the Vasco da Gama and how he sailed and found the black pepper. Selvi imagined that the joy of sailor when they once they reached Kozhikode and found the black pepper, and he took a lot of pepper back to their country. They took spices from India? She asked. They took spices from India. Yes, her mother said. Yes,